Now I'm going to install a new shingle. And what I have to do is, there is the tack strip right here that seals it. You have to nail above that, because if you don't, then it's not going to seal properly per manufacturer scope. So now granular loss right there, already starting, so I'll mark this up. Same thing. Got this cracking right in there. Same thing right in here. Same thing. Had this cracked matting. I'll show you guys once everything's done. Same thing up here. So, mark everything. This is what it looks like afterwards. So, you have this braking, that braking, that braking, this, that right there, that right there. So really, this did not withstand a repair. Sun's out, I'm in short sleeves, it's 50 degrees outside, you know, so it's not too cold. We did it on a warm day. It failed repairability, as you guys can see. Does not look like this. Another thing to note is a mat transfer.